Hola amigos, today in this video I'll show you how to making a 3D mechanical model of some object, and today I will try to make a 3D mechanical model of skateboard. First thing first I do is to understand the mechanisms of skateboard. In this step I try to look for the reference of skateboard, like all part of skateboards, the material and the function of all parts, and why and what is the function of each part to skateboard. And after that, after we found all the parts that we need, the second step is to a little bit specific, which is to look for the reference for each part, like such as the dimensions, the material, the geometry for each part, like where this will be placed in skateboard. And yeah, we should looking and understand of each of the parts parts. Okay. After that, the next step is to create or build each part that used on skateboard. We need to know, we already know the dimensions, the dimensions, the geometry, and so what we should do is to create the 3D model from that reference that we found in this video. And also in this video, the CAD software or the computer aided design software I use is Fusion 360 from Autodesk. I'm waiting for the sponsorship. And after we finish the create all of parts, the next step is to assemble all parts into one object, which is skateboard. Usually the problem occur in this step because this is our first time to create the 3D model skateboard. We don't have any reference, we don't have the actual skateboard actual object, so we just like to imagine the skateboard how it's look. So yeah, we don't have the standard dimension. We only just look for from the internet, and that's not the eligible one. But yeah, because of this the problem occur because the reference we got usually lead us to mismatch to the other part of the component. And in this case, my solution is we should to try to redesign or change the dimensions or geometry for this part, and try to looking for the compatible reference for our new design of our components. So yeah, basically you just redesign your components so it can be matched to your other component, basically like that. And after we fix the problem, the last step is to assemble our parts. And here for the last touch of our 3D mechanical model of skateboard, here we go. Push.